come watch with me to unbox DX Rider Capsem Sets 5. Wherever you guys heard about Camera Sets, episode 39, Cheek returned as Camera Dawn and Camera Sets Autumn. Let's take a look at Darkness Capsem. It's more like the same Impact Capsem to use Dark Rider. Let's spin it. There's purple frame, and there's the impact between Camera Sets and Darkness Sets Capsem. And next, Lord 3 Booster Capsem. Well, they're the same booster Capsems to have the same pen, and let's spin it. There's a come out as a cape. Let's check in the pen, and there's in there, and let's check booster Capsem. And there's the same booster Capsems. And let's check extra Capsem. There's the same Capsem as Lord 3. Let's Heishin and Giso. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Darkness. Mental middle. Mental middle. Blood. Yes. Darkness. Darkness.
My two packages get here at June 24. I like this both Capsem. I hope I enjoy this watching Camera Sets and Special Gaffin Infinity. I'll put box in the box collection. I'll put Lord 3 Capsem and Darkness Capsem in the bookshelves. Thanks for watching and your next mission.